Yes. My brother, draw the complete top view and the complete right view before you get it. Of course you are correct, but draw the complete top view as well as the complete right view. So since the majority of the class is not around, let's push faster. So that the time they come here, we're done with majority of the Actually, let me touch it a little bit now. This one I'll already make it my horizontal line. If this is angle 30, which means this one it should be 60. Brother. No. Some of this nature. Where is the question so that you get the what? The distance of an eye in front of picture plane. So question 5, perspective drawing. Note this question must be answered on the A4 answer sheet and must be attached to your drawing sheet. You see, they are even telling you. See. This question must be answered on an A4, well prepared for you, and must be attached when you are now submitting to your drawing sheet. Use the information shown on the answer sheet to draw a neat 2-point perspective view of this machine block. So this, what we are drawing, it is a machine block, my brother. So to go down here, this dimension, what you are doing, measure 15 millimeters from here to here, 15 millimeters. From here going down, measure 15 millimeters. You understand? So point A is situated in line with the center vision and up against the picture plane. Line AB vanishes at a right angle at 30, vanishes to a right at 30 degrees. The distance of an, this is what you wanted, the distance of an eye in front of picture plane is 120 millimeters. So all in all, it's paying 15 marks. No hidden details, it is now necessary. No hidden details, it is now necessary. So you draw them, you'll be wasting your own time. Are you winning? You didn't get even one.
Drafting
You're in a hurry, my brother. They are there, just that they are mixed up. It's there, I tell you. Just that it's there. There is everything there. Yeah, but try by all means to get that those previous vision papers. They are very much important. Okay. Once we can have this smaller information, we can be able to get our block. This is an interesting one. Right, this is going to be my point A, given as point A, this is B. This one is going to be my center vision. This one is going to be my picture plane. This one horizontal line. This one ground level or ground plane. This one is going to be my stationary point. So the very first thing that you have to get, this is what you'll be given in the final examination. You understand? But the HL, it won't be there. You are going to be getting it by yourself. And you know which from there till there is 20 millimeter. And then from the where your 20 millimeter is the distance of an eye in front of picture plane, which is, they said, is 100 millimeter. And that one, it will be giving you what stationary point. It was the ground line, it will be there altogether. So now we are going to take a drawing canvas. Actually, not a drawing canvas. I'm used to a drawing canvas now. So your T-square as well as your Z-square, if this angle is 30, which means this one, it will be angle 60. So now you take this point, you vanish it towards the left-hand side at an angle of what? Of 60 parallel to this one. On the third plane, you can go vertically down so that you get what? your vanishing point of your left hand side. And it has to be labeled like this. You must label your vanishing point. You understand? So you take this line at your stationary point. So don't commit that mistake again. So this one, it should be now at an angle of 30 degrees anti-clockwise, parallel to this one, parallel to the line of AB. You understand? But me now on the board, I'm rough sketching them, might not be parallel, and it's not in 100% sure what this is angle 30. But when in your drawing, you know what to do. Once you touch picture plane, it's gonna go vertically down, my brother. And you also label, this is going to be vanishing point of your right hand side. So now you go to your ground plane. So if your A is that one, so the law, it says all the points right from your top view, they will be directed to your stationary point. Once they touch picture plane, they become vertical down. And if you take a closer look at your point A, it's already existing, it's already doing what I am telling you. So that point A, it should be now here. That point A is now right there. That point A, first derivative of point A. You understand? So once you get there, you take a 30mm ruler, you take that point A to vanishing point of your left hand side. There you go. Where is your 30mm ruler, my brother? I told you, go to ShopRite. Tell them you are looking for this one. They will ask you, do you have £5? Give us £5, then we give you what you are looking for. So that you don't struggle. You see the way I struggle. Go to ShopRite, my brother. You are not, you're going to regret. You are just buying this ruler once. Regardless of you take care of it, you'll use it till, from here till how much? From here till 52. That's the height. Then from here till here. But I'm not convinced what is the same. Do you see what? Yeah, it seems to be a little bit bigger than here. You understand?
This one is 2.
Yeah?
This one is 2.
Oh, this one is 2. Okay. Yeah, I can see it, Mos. I can see it. Okay, it's okay. So from there, now I will take this one to vanishing point of my right hand side. The advantage is that the top view and as well as the right view, it should be well prepared, given for you there in your answer sheet. That should be attached inside of your drawing question paper. You just tear it up, then align it to your drawing board or drawing table, then you will begin to draw. So now, take point. Let's take this point A, this one towards our what? Our stationary point. There it goes. Once it touch picture plane, gonna go vertically down. Right. So, which means now from here, till there, I am going to have it solid without fear of failure. Solid. You have it, right? Right. So let's also come take this point. You can, it's up to you whether you go this side or you go this other side. It's up to you, whatever way you prefer, you understand. So let's take this one. Remember, we are still working with the bottom part of our. There you go. Take it to stationary point. Once you touch picture plane, you come vertically down. Down we go, my brother. So there it is. Then from there, I am going to have this one dark now. From here, in this topic, we hardly use what we call an eraser. An eraser. Darker. Then after that one, let's come back to get the height now, vertically up. Come back to your right view. Take this 15 millimeter. Is this one? So there you go. There you go. Once you touch the center vision stationary point line, you stop on it. You stop, you take it to the vanishing point of your right hand side. And the vanishing point of your left hand side. Right, so now I can have this one solid. So from here to right here, I can have it solid. You have it right? So now we have this point, we have this one, which is that one. So let's move from here till here. Are we together? How? By taking this point, go back to your top view. You're gonna take this point, this one, direct it to your stationary point. There you go. Once you touch picture plane, it goes vertically down, my brother. So there it is, which means now I can have it solid now from here. If I'm moving from here till here, it's from here to there. This one is that point. Dark. You do have it. An examiner will only test you. It's not dark till. Okay, yeah. It's not dark till here. It's not dark till here. So this one is dark till here because it's moving from here till there. So you must consider that one. So now let's get to the what? The height. The height of it, which is this one. Going to be this one. This one you take it horizontally. Once you touch the line of center vision, stationary point, you take it to your vanishing point of your right hand side and vanishing point of your left hand side. So there you go. And this we can go. So which means now Without fear or favor, I can have this one dark from here till there. And this one again. Solid from here till there. And what? Do you have this arrow shape? I can see it there. It is. Where is your height? Let me see. Get your height first. This is correct. This is correct. So, so which means till that from here till right there. There we go. Are you there? So, close it. Yeah, dark as well, my brother. There we go. So now we've got these new points on your vanishing point of your left hand side, they are already existing. Vanishing point of your left hand side, they are already existing. So take them to your vanishing point of your what? Of your right hand side. There you go. Like this we can go. Something of this nature. Draw them faint, my brother. This is absolutely correct. But how do you draw a faint line? You hold your pencil. You see, today I'm having a good pencil. You are getting it? So, construct this one as well. This one. There you go. There you go. This is simple, straightforward. This is an interesting topic. I don't know why most of the people, they don't like it. You understand? So now, let's go up. Dark from here till there. You have those points, right? Dark like this. And dark like this. Simple, straightforward. When you go to grade 12, it should be something very complicated. There, we draw houses using 2-point perspective. We draw houses, floor plans. Actually, your house, we can draw it. Understand? So now, take this point to your vanishing point of your right hand side. It's already existing. Take it to vanishing point of your left hand side. Do you see that the moment you take this one to vanishing point of your left hand side, you are going to get this point. So take it. Aha. Who is here now? She's very early for the what? For the next period. She's very early for the next period. And guys, we are doing the very important topic. What's wrong? That is the flu. That is it. US. It's a problem. Don't worry, you must steam. Steam. Look then. Let's have this point, the very much important point, which it's a trick to get it. To get it simple, project this point, my brother. Project it like this. Once you touch there, you understand? Once you touch there, then you take it to what? To stationary point. There you go. Once you touch, picture plane goes vertically down. So there you go. You see? Do you have it now? Remember, we took it till the stationary point. Once you touch, the picture plane goes vertically down. So I want you to get this point. It should be somewhere there. Look, where is it? It's at the edge. Remember, you took it to the outer edge of your drawing, isn't it? So, same applies to here. You have to get it along this line. Do you have it? Once you get along that line, take it to a vanishing point of the right hand side. I know it's a bit tricky because we are having about 3 steps before we get the action point that we're looking for. Understand? So now, this is the point, but we are not looking for that one. So now, take it to what? To a vanishing point. The moment you take this one to a vanishing point, it's going to collide with this. That's give you what? This one. Interesting, huh? It's time up now. What is happening? You must get a magnet first. So the moment you take this one to a vanishing point, as well as this one to a vanishing point, where they are meeting, where they are forcing each other is a point, which is that one. Do you have it? So now I can draw dark from here till right there. You see, it's good as if I'm moving from here till there. Good. You see, now move from here till right there. How? By taking this. This is very interesting. Nice. We don't know about our spectators. You understand? Are they enjoying the lesson? As we're enjoying the lesson. There it goes. Okay. Let us make it interesting. Take this one. Forget about this one. Join us. If we'd be still around. If we'd be still living. My brother, take this one. Let us make it interesting. Take this one. Forget about this one. It will come out by itself the moment we take this one to our vanishing point of our design. Take this one. Paint. 2. Once you touch my picture plane, goes vertically down. Guys, drawing is something that you have to do. You have to do it almost every day. Look now. When you're moving from here till straight, isn't it? So which means from here till there is that point. Are you getting it? You can't stop now. So from here till here is good as from there till there. So this gap, excuse me, this gap is supposed to be there. So now, without fear or favor, I will have this one solid from here It's time up, then. Let's go to the next period. We are going to finish up tomorrow. The screen is in front of you.
Can do
that.
Oh yeah.
So it's time up then. We are going to finish it up tomorrow. So you wanted to finish this one since majority of you guys are not around. And there is a guy who always smoking down there. And that guy, I was surprised that he's doing engineering drawing. I'm like, why? Oh, you know him? What's wrong with that guy?
Because it's all.
No, that guy, he came here yesterday asking for a question paper. I'm like, who are you? What do you want to do? Question paper for test one. Question paper for test one. What do you want to do with it? Guys, you must be serious with your studies.